Chidima, your mother gave me a poisoned biscuit, which almost killed me. If not for the intervention of the hunter who saw me and took me to the medicine man who was able to cure me, I would have been long dead. After my recovery, I came out only to discover that my mother killed herself, thinking that I was dead.
I'm sorry. I am sorry. Why, Aru?
It's not your fault.
I'm so ashamed of myself. I'm not proud of my mother's action. I never knew my mother was such an evil woman. Why would she plan to kill you? She did everything to destroy our relationship because she was not getting along with your mother. It didn't work out for her. Only for her to take this drastic decision to end your life. I'm just grateful to the gods that you made it back alive. Why would she do such thing? Why would she allow hatred to make her take such decision?
My darling sister, you see that hatred? Hatred is the master of destruction. But thank God I'm alive. Thank God I made it.
I'm so happy to see you.
Me too.
Just look at me. Look at me. I'm now an orphan. No mother, no father, nothing. How do I even continue?
It's okay. Listen, everything is going to be fine. Alright? God will fix it.
I'm glad you're alive.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay.
I'm so glad you made it back alive. You didn't even think of me before doing all this. And then you say, with the heart of God, Mama love is Sally. Can I check it? Mother, you know the world is filled with so many battles. Battles that I cannot win alone on my own. And you chose to leave. Mother, you should have stayed with me. We should have fought these life battles together. You should have stood by my side and joined hands with me in winning these life battles. I cannot do this on my own. I can't win this battle alone, Mother.
I hope you're getting the tragedies of the past behind you.
I'm trying.
You better be. Because I know that the future is brighter.
It's okay. I'll try my best. Oko, can I ask you for a favor?
Of course. You know I always want to do anything to make you happy.
Can I bring my friend? Can I bring her to come live here with me? To be by my side?
You think that will make you happy?
Yes. To make me very happy.
You're comfortable with that and you think she will also like to stay here?
Yes. She would like to be here with me. Besides, she doesn't have anyone.
Go ahead and get her. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
You'll be done with it, okay? Come. Come, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Be strong for yourself, for your tomorrow.
Oh. Thank you. Come on. For what? I hope you enjoy your meal. I'm sure you love the juice too.
People are enjoying this palace.
Oh.
You're
welcome to join.
I know this is the kind of food you like. Not abacha.
Well, but I think I love abacha because I missed it.
And this is your area of specialization.
What are you saying? I do love abacha though. I do.
Thank you.
Oh, come on.
Thank you. God bless you.
No problem. This is nothing. You're my sister.
You're very much welcome.
Thank you, Igwe. You know, I am the closest brother to late Odibeze's late husband. And we all know that Odibeze had no male child before her death to bear or continue with the family. And gone are the days we say we go for adoption, and things like that. And we cannot say, let the little girl, Adeze, stay back without getting married to start bearing children on behalf of her late parents. And if I were the greedy type, I would have said, let me take over the properties, the cars, houses. Maybe because people know to be a man of integrity. And all those things are all vanity. I cannot do such. And on that ground, I've come up with a suggestion, His Highness, that we search diligently for a well-domesticated lady who bring her in as a wife to start bearing children for my late brother and his late wife, your sister. We will have a look at that suggestion. That is why I've come.
Bobo, you are a good man. Yes, you are a good man with good heart.
You are this.
And as you think good of other persons, so good will come to you.
Thank you very much.
Good things will locate you.
Thank you, His Highness.
You are one in a bunch of men in this situation. My late younger sister did not have a male child for her late husband. And you are the closest to my late sister's late husband. One would have expected that you take advantage, more so when she didn't have a male child. Take advantage to appropriate all that he left behind. But you decided not to. and people came up with a suggestion. You are a good man.
Thank you very much, Igwe.
And as for the suggestion, looking for, a well-domesticated maiden to bear children for the family, I am in full support.
Thank you, Igwe.
Rest assured that I will foot the bill whatsoever to make it happen.
I know what you can do. I've always relied on your wisdom. What about our little girl, Adeze?
She drove out with her friend, Chidema.
Okay. Yes. Please extend my regards by the time she comes back. Yeah. I'll be up my way.
More drinks?
No, thank you. I'm taking enough. You have made my day. Thank you, Your Highness.
All right.
I know what you can do.
I know when you go out, there's package for you outside.
Thank you.
Yes. Good in love with all
Thank you.
See.
Yes.
Yes. Good love.
We'll keep reaching out to you.
Yes.
I'll be leaving because people are waiting for us.
Yeah. I'm sure you're enjoying this. My darling, you can see that I am enjoying every bit of it. This one is the best in this our village. Abacha Moni. That's why I love coming to your shop.
Hey! Igwe! This is African salad. Abacha. Huh? The two best friends forever. I salute.
How did you know that?
Woo! Because whenever you travel, I travel with you. Whenever you resurrect, you come back. I'm with you. So I'm now like a monitoring spirit.
Abisi,
Huh?
why are you distracting us? Can't you see we are eating and having girl-to-girl talk? Kediyo. Abisi! Stand up, don't do that. Go! Abisi, I'm talking to you and you're not saying a word.
Hey! What can someone do in this life that will make the people in the world not to talk? When you talk, they say, Abisi, you don't talk. When you don't talk, Abisi, you don't want to talk. What can I, Abisi, do in this world that will make people not to talk? Huh?
Abisi. Abisi. We are go. Go to Mama Onye's shop. Tell her that I said she should give you 1 plate of abacha, bomo, fish, and a bottle of beer.
So you wanted to eat?
Who am I? I don't know. I don't know how to. Hey! In fact, let me tell you, anything that will stand as an obstacle in both of you relationship, let that person die. Anything that will say no to your relationship, let that person die. I'm praying for both of you. In fact, as you can see, the two obstacles that stand against you, they are dead. So no more. The road is free for you people. I am busy. I am my way because the road is free. Woo! Woo! Look at me.
But he's such an amazing person.
Yes,
I am busy. I am on my way.
Abisi, bye-bye. Tell her that I'll bring money later.
You just say when he gets there, they'll give it to him.
Of course, I usually send him there to go and get abacha. Then I will send him money.
Wow.
Add him credit to what he
Andeze with the heart of God. Mama love is sally sally. Kina chiki mama. Andeze with the heart of God. Mama love is sally sally. Kina chiki mama. Andeze when you are happy now dance, fetch any well suffer.
Chidimma. It's okay, please don't run. My daughter. Please. I came to apologize for all my wrongdoings. I am so sorry. Please find it in your heart to forgive me for everything I have done to you. Don't against that Daisy and not the best. I was misled by the devil. I allowed the devil to work evil through me. Please find it in your place to forgive me. I was pushed because I was carried away with my desperation. I am sorry. You know me. I was never a bad person. I'll always be your mother.
You're no longer my mother. You stopped being my mother the day you decided to indulge in evil. Why? Why? Why would you do that, Mama? If you ever meet Odibeze, ask her to forgive you.
I am sorry. One more thing. Please do not leave Obinna. He loves you. He will always be there for you. You, Obinna and Adeze, you three should remain united. The future holds so much good things for the three of you. Please, I am sorry. Just be strong. Don't cry, don't cry.
Why did you do this to me, Mama? Why?
Okay, Your Majesty.
Everything has happened. Everything has happened. The Iroko tree has fallen down. Yes, the Reverend Father have dismissed the church service before the time.
What happened?
Bam! The chief priest has traveled.
He didn't tell me he was traveling.
Igwe, he has traveled to overseas on barefoot. Igwe.
Apusi, you're my friend, but why are you always speaking in a language that I can't even understand?
Okay.
Your Majesty.
Your
Majesty.
Okay.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Your Majesty, may you live long.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Your Majesty, not about sitting down. The chief priest of this kingdom is there.
What? When?
It just happened a few minutes ago.
No wonder. I saw that cloud up there. It was just there. It was just there.
Igwe, I said it. Igwe, I said it. He has gone. He has gone forever. I told you. Yes, that's the one.
Leave us. This is not time for too much talk. Please, leave us.
All I know is gone forever. Yes.
He was trying to say that to me before
Gone
he came.
forever.
I did quite understand.
He's gone forever.
Your Majesty will never understand him. You will never understand him. Let me go to her. This is the time is not.
Igwe, oh no, my brother. You see, I am very much aware that today is not a meeting day, but this discussion has to hold. Makanam, the bison are no barge also. See, I am of the opinion that we should consult the gods so that we can find out who is best qualified to take over as the chief priest, is the owner of this kingdom. Okay, Adequate.
Ndị Igbo na-asị na mberede nyere dike, mberede ka ejikwa ama dike. This is an emergency. We have only 4 market days, and today is already the 2nd market day. We have only 2 market days left to find a replacement for the chief priest. So whatever we have to do must be done fast.
But Igwe has for long nailed this matter. Akpisi was supposed to assume the position of the chief priest, but he refused. That was why the gods made him to be a drunk. Now that the current chief priest is no more, we have to do all within our power to make him assume that position of the chief priest of Ajali deity, Biko Nodimpa. It is very important.
My elders, why are we seeking for solution where there is none?
I don't know.
We all remember what happened at the demise of the last chief priest that preceded the very last one.
Yes.
We cannot say we cannot remember that.
This is very current to my mind.
So, Akwesi takes over as the new chief priest. Oh no, I want you to invite him to the palace chambers tomorrow for the meeting.
We consider it done.
Sorry girls, I had to pull you up at this time of the night. I did so we can have a heart-to-heart talk. Both of you are like my daughters, and we have been together for the past few weeks. I just feel, you know, like we talk about how you want your future to look like. So that's what I wanted to talk about. And I know that Chidima already has a salon she's managing.
Yes, Your Highness. But unfortunately, the salon is not yielding much money. We are just going there to while away time.
So in that case, what would you want to do? What exactly would you want to like? You know, what do you want to do?
Your Highness, if Obinna can find something tangible to do, I think that would be okay by me. I just want him to be financially stable.
Who is Obinna?
Obinna is her best friend.
And that's what you really want?
Yes, Your Highness.
Daisy and you?
I'd love to go back to the States.
Well, I hope you both have made the right decisions. It's an opportunity.
Yes, I appreciate your question. That's my
Finance. Finance.
Yes, final answer.
It's all right. You can go back to bed.
And that's it?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Highness. Good night. Good night, Uncle.
Either they change situation or they change their mindset. And there's a more. With the heart of God, Mama love is sali sali. Gina chiki the number, and there's a more.
N'oge ruo ụbọchị nkwa mara ụbọchị mbụ oge azụna nkirikiri na-ekiri ododo na-ejiri ododo ndị ozu arọbụna gị na mụ kenali oke mmụọ na-apụ apụ ajali mmụọ nwaanyị na mụ kenali mbọchị nkwa ọ dịrị anyị na mma mbọchị ka ọ dịrị anyị na mma anyị na-ekwu arọbụna agụ ọ na-abụrụ dịka ite bụ onye ajụ n'isi nkirikiri ga na-ekiri ododo oke mmụọ na-apụ apụ na mụ kenali ajali njebe wele na nnaba wele ọ dị n'ọfọ asị m arọbụnago na mụ keneli kunikeneli n'ọbụ ife kwuru ka na-emebe a na-ekiri ododo na ejiri ododo enyi ozu mbọsị nkwa na nkwa ga-akwọtala anyị ngọzi mbọsị afọ fọtala anyị oruru ọma mbọsị orie orutere anyị ngọzi na ife ọma mbọsị nkwa na ọkwọtala anyị mbọsị orie ọ dịrị anyị na mma eke ketala anyị ngọzi anyị ga-adị ka Chineke ara agwụ arọbụnago na mụ keneli ịnụ ome ajali mmụọ na-apụ apụ ụmụ ọrụ mmụọ na mmadụ ndị mbụ na ndị egede ndị ichiani ndị nwụrụ ọnwụ na-agba ogboli ndị na na-ajali na mụ kenelu nụ bịakwanụ nwa nkwụ na-eke bịanụ nwa anụ n'orie bịanụ nwa anụ na afọ bịa ṅụnụ anụ na nkwọ babịa ndị be anyị ji eke ekike bụrụ nke anyị ji eme mma onye meta mma ya gazielu ya onye meta njọ ya gbatekwa n'aka maka na ife ọma ka na-eṅomi na eṅomi ife ọjọọ eṅomi nụ ajali oke mmụọ na mụ kenelu nụ. I said it. Let the whole villagers be blessed. He said, let the man be blessed. He said, let the woman be blessed. He said, all the 4 market days in our kingdom, I bless all the people in this village, in this kingdom. Yeah? Let everybody be blessed.
Oh, okay. God will protect you. I wish you journey mercy.
Amen.
My love, I'm worried about you. I know Igwe gave you some money, but you don't know anyone in the city. Where are you going to stay?
Chidima.
How are you going to get work? Eh?
Chidima.
I'm just worried.
Chidima, you don't have to worry. See, I'm a man. So I'm going there to hustle, and I'll be fine, I promise you.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
One more thing. I don't want you to get distracted with the past. I want you to always know that I'll be here waiting and praying for you. I want you to be a good boy in this city.
I'm a good boy already. Am I not one?
I want you to continue to be a good boy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, let's go so you don't miss your
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you more, my love. I'll follow you to the park.
Let me help you with the bag.
No, don't worry.
Okay.
I'll follow you. Let's go. The park. Let's go.
Oh! Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my brother. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir. Sir, I hope all is well.
Yes.
Your car, I hope it didn't develop any more fault.
Not at all. I think you are the most qualified mechanic we have in this town. Honestly, let me ask you.
Yes, sir.
Were you trained abroad?
No, sir.
Because I have taken that vehicle to so many mechanic companies, but they could not trace the fault until I brought it here.
Thank you, sir.
Honestly, you are doing well. Keep it up. Yeah.
God, sir. Sir, how's your family?
We are fine, though.
I hope all is well, sir.
Yes, all is well. I didn't come because of that car. I came for business discussion.
Business?
Yes.
Sir?
Yes, now.
You want to discuss business with me?
Yeah, with you.
Yes. Okay, sir, let's go to my mini office.
I don't think that place will be convenient. Let us go to my car.
Okay, to your car?
Yeah. You're okay, you're okay.
Okay.
Let's go. Hey, so how is work?
Work is fine, sir.
What has come over you?
Ada.
Where has your mind traveled to? What's going on?
Never mind. You're fine. Don't worry.
Don't tell me this is about Obina. This
But
girl.
You know, we've come a long way and I can't pretend to you. If not him, who? Yeah, it's been months since he traveled and of course I miss him now.
I see. Butterflies in my belly. Mrs. Obina, just take it easy. You're complaining of months of not seeing him. Aren't you lucky that he calls you often? He does. What about me? I am here in this country. I don't have a man. Or you think it's what I have flowing through my veins? Of course it's blood. I'm flesh and blood. Just take it easy, oh.
Don't worry. I understand what you're talking about. And I promise that I will keep praying for you.
Okay.
Very soon, God will bless you with a good man. But don't forget, I'll be your chief bridesmaid. You will also be my chief bridesmaid.
I know. That would be so amazing and nice.
Friends for? Best friends forever. Friends for life.
Mrs. Obina.
You've started.
Take it easy, oh. This love thing.
Did he
slow
give you
down.
Did he give you palm?
My in-law.
See, Obina, if someone recommends you, would you like to be a car dealer?
A car dealer?
Yes.
Of course. I don't mind, sir.
And if you can do that, let us strike a deal.
Sir, I don't.
So as a matter of fact, there are some cars here that I have been selling. The customers, the owners of the cars, they asked me to help them dispose, some of the cars. So I've been doing that. So I have the experience, sir.
So 8 of my new cars will be coming into the country by next week. Then the second batch will come by ending of the month. You can see automatically you become a car dealer, full-time car dealer.
Sir, I'll be a car dealer?
Yes.
Oh, thank you very much, sir.
See, I will not want you to disappoint me.
No problem. I won't disappoint at all, sir.
Good. So, let us strike a deal.
No problem, sir. Like I said, I already have the experience because I've been selling some of the cars, some of the used cars here.
No problem. You have it.
No problem, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you. May God bless you, sir.
You're welcome. I'm blessed.
I know, just calm down, wait for me. This one kind of accident to get over.
I don't get assist now.
I see the car now. See, just imagine. Now elephant to na jam. See, everything here is condemned. We have to change this bumper. We'll change this headlamp. Go and bring 300,000.
Now go ahead.
Huh?
Go ahead.
300,000.
No problem, go ahead.
300,000.
I'll pay now, no problem. It's not my money. I'll pay.
Bring advance now.
Oh, God, just say I can't about it.
Ha! Oga, no play with me, oh.
Positive people, not the fear at all. They get two ways of happiness, yeah. Either they change situation or they change their mindset.
I'm so excited. Tell me about it. Obinna called. Okay, so but that's what it should be. Don't you think so?
Yes, but there's something else.
Tell me
that
about
is why I am excited.
Okay, so what
he said I should come to the city.
Oh, wow.
Telling you the truth.
Wow. Are you serious? Oh, that's really nice. Okay, so when are you leaving?
I can't really say for now. I need to talk to His Royal Majesty to seek his approval. You know I cannot live like that.
I know, but I don't think that's a problem. I mean, Obinna is your husband to be, so why would he say no? Man, it's a good thing he's inviting you over.
One more thing.
What?
I want you to come with me.
Come with you? You're going to see Obinna for the first time in the city and you want me to come with you? Come on, why?
Because I can't stay without seeing you. Because you're my best friend for life.
Yes. Best friends forever. Well, then again, don't you think there'll be too much expenses? I mean, you and I in the city at the same time. He just barely got a job. That'll be too much for him, don't you think?
Hey, don't worry yourself. Anything we see there, we'll eat. Moreover, I've equally been making money from my salon. So when going out, go there with some money. It won't be a problem. We can manage now. Best friend forever.
Best friends forever. See, the way this thing is going is like you're going to move into your husband's house with me as the assistant wife. Because I don't get it. Do I have to go with you everywhere?
Yes, you must come with
your
me.
shadow?
Maybe.
Oh, wow, that's really nice. I'm so excited. Hey! Amazing.
Yeah.
You have such a beautiful face.
Thank you. You're welcome to my house.
Tell me the truth. You know I know you very well. I know all these things now. Some guys will just come from the village, start living with one guy. Before you know it, they will start claiming it's their own. We've come a long way, my love. Just tell me the truth. Who owns this house? Where is he and when is he coming back?
Really? The house belongs to me.
Wow, excellent. Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
How did you make it this fast?
It's lost doing.
Lost doing?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, enough of this questioning.
I need to question him. It's not like I'm not happy, but of course I'm surprised. He made it overnight.
Oh my goodness.
My love, I'm so happy for you. Hey! Chineke, are you serious? With bought or rented?
Oh my goodness. It said it's his house. Let's celebrate. I mean, come on. Ain't you happy for him?
Of course I am. I'm just curious.
So let's be thankful to God for this amazing piece of art. Your house is beautiful.
Thank you. I need to get something for you to drink.
Come. Since you became a rich boy, you've not hugged me. Go and get drink. Are you serious? This is beautiful. Hey! I am. It's just that I was curious. He made it so quick. It's his house.
I think I like this. Me too.
I love it too. It's nice.
Oh my God.
Let's see others.
Let me see other options. This is nice.
Oh.
Hi, girls.
Hey, darling.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
You okay? You look beautiful.
As always.
How you doing?
I'm alright. How are you?
I'm okay. You guys are up to something?
We are shopping online.
Shopping?
Mm-hmm.
What are you shopping for?
Clothes, shoes, bags, shoes.
Wow.
We're never tired of shopping.
I got something bigger and better.
What's that?
Can you guess?
A wristwatch?
No, maybe a Gucci bag.
Gucci bag?
Yeah.
Take it.
Wait, I don't understand.
You're joking, right? That's a car. No, that's a car.
It's outside. Let's go.
No way. Are you serious?
Listen to me. I said listen to me, I'm talking. You are still talking. Come, this is no longer funny. It is no longer funny if you must understand this. How could you go for Mugo and refuse to come back home? Staying in your son-in-law's house? Does that make sense to you? Yes. No, it's quite clear. It is clear, yes. My younger sister even died. And one thought that you were going to use that as an opportunity to leave them and come back to Nigeria. No. My sister is even buried. Yet you're not here. Yes. I have told my son-in-law that if by the end of next month you're not here, I want my refund of your bride price. And that's final. You're asking about Adaeze, Abi? Adaeze is not in the palace. She went to the city to see her friend. And she has a right to go to wherever she has a right to go to. You have to come back home. Where is this made?
So, when are they coming?
The day after tomorrow.
Is there any specific reason for their visiting?
Well, it's a long story, but I'll cut it short. Chief has been good to me. He's such an inspiration. He actually brought me out of the mechanic shop, like I told you. And he's always been there for me. So he offered to visit and I accepted. I also want to use the opportunity to thank him for all he has done for me. So he'll be visiting with his family, and I want them to have either lunch or dinner with us.
That's so thoughtful of you.
I think I understand what he's trying to explain. In that case, we need to plan for them. Okay, I need to make a list of the meals we're going to make so I can go to the market and shop. What do you think?
Fantastic.
Fantastic idea. But is it going to be like a feast?
More like a feast. You know, back in the days, my father had guests over often and I do the cookings. Yeah. So I have an idea of what I am going to make and they're going to like it. Trust me. I'll say that again. So I'll make my list and then hand it over to you in the morning. How about that?
Excellent.
That's totally fine.
Yeah, I'm excited about this. I'll be in my room, guys.
Okay.
I have some cookings to plan, you know.
Alright. That's so thoughtful of you. It's nice you invite them over, please. They will see how big you've become.
Chief, before I proceed, I would like to, or permit me to introduce everyone to everyone. Thank you very much. To my right is my beloved wife, my angel, the woman of my dreams, my soulmate, the most beautiful woman on earth. Chidimma. Isn't she beautiful? All right. Next to her is Adeze. Adeze is a friend indeed.
My sister.
Yeah, the kindest woman I have ever met in my life.
Oh my God, I feel so flattered.
Right.
But that's the truth. You're way too kind. Thank you so much.
And everyone, this is Chief. God used this man to wipe tears off my eyes. I used to be a motor mechanic. I used to fix cars, all kinds of cars. From morning till night, I would go under every vehicle in my workshop to ensure that they are fixed. With a lot of engine oil on my body, all over my body. But this man, God used this man to take me off the streets. Through this man, I know some of the biggest automobile companies in this country. Please, can we just...
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Not only that,
Thank you.
he also introduced me to someone who became my English teacher.
Tell me about that.
Yes. And next to him is his beautiful wife. Thank you so much, Ma, for coming.
Thank you so much.
And that's their son, Ifeanyi. Ifeanyi is my friend. We've been friends for quite a while now, and we're getting along really well. Thank you so much, and enjoy your meal.
You're welcome, sir. You're welcome, ma'am. You're welcome. Oh my God, this is so interesting.
Fine. Don't worry. This is chicken first.
Sorry?
He said excuse.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry about that.
Okay, alright, that's fine.
So, Chief, how's work? How's business?
Anything the matter?
Do you know that you're my wife?
Excuse me?
Yes. You are my wife.
That I am your wife?
Yes.
Make it make sense. How so?
See,
how am I your wife?
See, my God told me that whenever I see my wife, I will know And from the moment I set my eyes on you, I was very convinced that you're my wife.
That I am your wife?
Yes.
Do you know me before? Have you seen me before? And is this how you go around telling everyone that you're meeting that your God told you that they are your wives?
No. Never. No,
okay,
not at all.
So I don't understand this. You're meeting me for the first time and suddenly I am your wife.
Even me can't fully explain it.
Oh, really?
It's just should I say divine will?
Oh, wow.
For real.
Listen and listen very good. I do not want to be rude to you. Okay? I am going to walk back to where you took me from. I am not your wife. I do not know you. Okay? Please.
No. Wait. This I'm telling you is from the depth of my heart. I'm very serious. From the moment I set my eyes on you, I knew you were the woman.
And your God told you that I am the picture of your wife. Right?
It's like a dream come true.
No, this is becoming a joke. And I'm not finding it funny. Tell your God to tell me. Excuse me. Chidima, something I've been meaning to tell you. After the visit of Chief and his son Ifeanyi wouldn't let me rest. He has been on my case since after. Why are you smiling like that?
You and this Ifeanyi, what does he really want?
See, this dude said I'm his wife.
Just like that?
Just like that. I mean, I'm amazed. How can I just be his wife?
Well, you know men have different agendas. So you have to play along with him to know what he truly wants from you. You don't have to be so rigid.
Chidima, how can I play along with a total stranger? I don't even know him.
But you're smart enough to differentiate between fake love and true love.
Yeah.
And you wouldn't tell from afar if you don't go close.
Chidima, not these days. Not with the men we have these days. Men these days will go extra miles. They can do anything within their power to get the woman that they want. They can pretend to be what they're not. So you can never be too sure. Trust me.
I won't even argue with you. You know you've traveled far and wide, so you know better. Don't let it bother you. Okay?
Okay. Well, I just hope you should let me be.
Are you sure you want to be left alone?
What's with the body language? I don't understand. What?
Because some girls will say, stop it, I like it.
So, our king, the Igwe, is a very nice man, very generous. I feel, you see, he never sees someone upset or unhappy and doesn't do anything about it.
Yeah, you're saying the truth. I'm certain he will be happy with the car gift. How did he feel about it?
Well, at first, he didn't accept it.
Why?
He refused to take it. He said I should have invested the money. But you know me, I had to convince him. And I told him to accept it, and he did.
Thank you so much. You're such a good man. He deserves it.
Chidinma, I think it is time for us to take this relationship to the next level. What do you think?
You're right. I have a problem. I don't have a mother. I don't have a father. Not even siblings. Sometimes I get so emotional. I wonder what my wedding day will look like.
I understand how you feel. But it's okay. I strongly believe everything is going to be fine. No? Not to worry. I'm sure the Igwe can, bring your kinsmen together and get them to help us with the traditional rites and everything.
Igwe is like a father to us. I know he would do anything to make us happy. So, did you discuss that with him the last time we went to the village?
Oh yes, I did.
So what's the conclusion?
He said I should let him know whenever I'm ready.
So, when are you ready?
Towards month end.
Okay.
I hear now.
No. Please, let's go and have cold bath and sleep.
Please, can we cheers and make it?
Yeah.
Right. There we go.
Cheers.
Okay. Right. So Ifeanyi, you said you wanted to tell us something.
Well, guys, it's about Daisy.
Oh, okay. What about Daisy?
Well, actually, from the moment I set my eyes on her, how do I say this? I fell in love with her.
Wow.
Interesting.
Really?
Well, I won't lie to you.
Guys, listen, I have something to say. I have always known Ifeanyi to be a very shy person. And truth be told, I'm quite impressed. I never knew you can actually say this in front of us.
No, I have a question for you.
Great.
What is it? Ifeanyi has expressed himself, how he has fallen head over heels for you, how he loves you. I want to know what your answer is.
So, are you ready to,
to do what?
Guys,
To
come
tell
on.
me what to do.
Just hold on. No,
Yes
please just
or
stop
a
it.
No.
Hold on a sec. This table is not about me. That wasn't the reason we came
No,
here in the first
He just
place.
expressed himself that he fell in love with you from the very
Yeah,
Don't
he
worry,
did.
darling. When a
And
woman starts acting like this, just
Yeah.
know that she has said yes.
Okay, no problem. So, can we toast to that?
Yes.
Yeah.
okay, whatever.
Yeah, right.
Cause destiny child is always destined. No matter the plans of enemies, I dare say enjoy your life. You are owing nobody. The benenu wagyo, and what are you one dealer? The men and kitty, that are far, get on and kitty, if I'm a get on and kitty, get on and kitty. With the heart of God, Mama love is sally. Can I check it, Mama? And there's a mama, and there's a with the heart of God, Mama love is sally. Can I check it, Mama? And there's a mama.
Baby girl, start talking. I saw the way he pecked you yesterday like a small baby. We're just blushing.
It looks like someone is in love.
Hi, Chidima. Well, I will not even lie. I think I'm beginning to fall in love with him.
Chimo, so fast.
So fast though, so far so good. Well, I think I really like him. See, I had the first impression of him. I thought he was one of those guys that just run after everything in skirts. But I was wrong. He's actually a nice guy though. He is.
So, has he proposed?
Yes, he actually did.
And what did you say?
Ha, my sister, I had to borrow some sense. I just asked him to calm down and take it easy. You know, of course, I need to do the usual. Yeah, your head did there. I just needed to, I didn't want to appear so cheap. So I just told him, you know what, I am going to think about it. And he said, okay, just take your time. And I'm taking my time as it is. So when I'm ready, I'm going to tell him how I feel.
Okay, so now tell me, from your inner heart, this is friends forever conversation.
Okay, just ask.
Do you really love him?
See, see, you're trying to make me really shy, but I'm going to answer you. I will not even lie to you. From my heart of hearts, yes, I like him. And I would like to marry him.
Hey! Oh, somebody's in love. Somebody's in love! But sis, don't forget, of course, you know I'm the chief bridesmaid.
No one is taking your place, girl.
Also mother of the bride.
Please, Chidina, just take it easy now. Just calm down. It's not now. Just, one step at a time.
You are in love.
Obinna.
Yeah.
I would have waited until we get to your house to tell you this, but I can't wait any longer.
So what's the good news? What could that be?
I want to marry Adaeze.
What?
Yeah.
Really? Did I hear you right?
You're the one that made me know her. Without you, I wouldn't have known her. So I have to seek for your consent first before making any further arrangements, so that you also give me the proper direction.
That's quite impressive. Does your father know about this?
Of course, of course.
Oh, listen, I'm very impressed to hear this. I was actually praying for God to give her a good husband, and here you are. She's a good girl, I must say, and I'm very, very happy to hear this.
Thanks a lot.
Let me know when you're ready, and I'll tell you the next thing to do.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Nice.
Thanks a lot, bro.
All right.
There is time for everything. In everything, there is a season. Ways of God is never the ways of mine. It's God.
Sir. So this is my husband to-be, Ifeanyi. I brought him here to see you specially. Because looking back, you are that man God Almighty used to save me. Only God knows what would have happened to me on that fateful day if He didn't send you. I'm grateful to you. Thank you so much.
Nine. I greet you, sir. Adaeze here told me everything. And I must confess, people like you are rare in this world. All I know is that for everything you've done for her, God will continue blessing you. And your days shall be very long. Very, very long. I thank you once again, sir.
Okay, so, Uncle, there's a special announcement. You will be coming for our wedding next week.
That close?
Yes, so. It's all happening in my village, and I would love you to be there.
Hey, Adaeze.
Yes,
you know I will be there. I must be there.
Now you know that if you're not there, the occasion will not start.
Of course.
Now I'm very, very happy being here.
So I want you to just manage this one for the time being.
Just hold on to it.
Just hold on to it, and hold on to it for the time being. It's nothing compared to it. It's nothing compared to what you've done.
Please.
You deserve it, sir.
Don't be offended. All this for me.
All this for you, sir. Sir, you deserve more than this now. You deserve more than this.
God will replace this in 1,000 folds wherever you
Amen.
go. You are blessed.
Amen.
You are blessed.
And now we'll be on our way now.
Oh. Hey!
Thank you very much.
Thank you. I have escorted.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Thank you.
My daughter, whatever you do in this life, do not forget yesterday. Be courageous.
you will never struggle for what is yours.
Mother, and why are you telling me all of this?
Always remember these words, because I might not be here to say them to you.
Mom, I don't know what you're talking about. What I do know is you are going to be here for a long time. Okay? So, can I go back to what I was doing?
You can. But Ifeanyi is your husband. And when you get married to him, be submissive to him. Do not let anyone come between you two.
And who is Ifeanyi? What kind of a dream is this?
Try to stop the moon from shining. Positive people not the fear at all. They get two ways of happiness, yeah. Either they change situation or they change their mindset. And they say no. Mama love is sali sali. Kina chigi mama. And there's a beauty out of God. Mama love is sali sali. Kina chigi mama. And there's a Abulu na we buloji eji Emesi oge pume. Cause destiny child is always destiny. No matter the plans of enemies. And there's enjoy your life. You are owing nobody. Benenu wagio, onwere yiju bondilo. Nemena nkiti, yatafa, gebuna nkiti. Ifefa kula mubi, gebuna nkiti. Yatafa, gebuna nkiti. And there is a beauty out of God. Mama love is sali sali. Kina chigi mama. And there is a beauty out of God. Mama love is sali sali. Kina chigi